What is up? Thank you for clicking on this video, and I'd like to welcome you to a brand new episode of The Lab right here on Slicing Dicing Gaming Entertainment. So I was actually at Aldi's the other day and I found some grapeseed oil. I actually never heard of grapeseed oil. I just recently saw avocado oil, and we were in the store with my mom and my grandma, and I saw grapeseed oil. And so I'm looking at it, and it's like, it's good for stir fry, baking, sauteing, and deep frying. And I'm like, maybe I should fry some chicken in some grapeseed oil. So that's what this episode of The Lab is going to be focused on. We're going to get right into that, actually. So I actually already have my chicken seasoned and floured. We're going to get right into the frying, and then probably going to taste a piece just to see the difference. I'm so used to cooking in vegetable oil, canola oil, just kind of like chicken grease, like leftover chicken grease from years, or that we keep in the refrigerator, gotta hold on to your oil, and we always fry in that. This would be something a little bit different. I'm curious if maybe it might be a little bit sweeter, but according to the bottle, grapeseed oil has a high smoke point. Smoke point is just the temperature at which it takes the oil to get hot. So it takes it a little bit longer to get hotter than most oils, but according to the bottle, it's good for frying and everything, so we're gonna get right into it. So I'm just gonna do a couple of pieces for this episode. This will probably be one of the shorter episodes of The Lab. I mean, those bubbles look really good already. So I'm gonna do just a couple of wings and the thigh. These wings are pretty big, so I won't be able to. Maybe I can fit them all in here at once. Oh, don't want to risk it. So this is The Lab. This is what we do on The Lab. We risk shit. So, there we go. So I'll just go ahead, let these fry up, and I'll get back to you guys with the verdict. So here's our finished fried chicken, fried up in some grapeseed oil. I'm really excited about how it looks. It's probably some of the best fried chicken I've honestly cooked in my life. I am not tooting my own horn, I am just saying. Also, something else I did a little bit differently was after I seasoned my chicken, I actually added a couple of egg yolks to the chicken so that the flour will stay on the chicken a little bit better, because eggs is a natural binder. You see it a lot in cooking on a cooking show, so I wanted to apply it to this chicken. I did the chicken fried up really well. I'm really excited for how the chicken tastes. I would taste it right now, but I don't want you guys to hear me smacking in my mic. Try to be respectful to you guys. But I think this is a success. It looks really good. I might end up buying more grapeseed oil and frying up some other stuff and testing it out. But thank you so much for clicking on this video and checking out this very brand new episode of The Lab right here on Slicing Dicing Gaming Entertainment. If you like this video, check out the previous episodes of The Lab. Also, Side Dish is still rocking and rolling. I'm going to get ready. We're going to get prepared for season 3 of The Menu, which I'm excited about. I dropped the intro this past Monday, so definitely check out the intro for season 3 of The Menu. The Menu also has its own logo now, which I'm really excited about. There's some different things coming up right here on the channel. But yeah, there's also Order Up, the Order Up podcast, which is my flagship podcast. Talk about a little bit of everything. It's not just food related, it's anything under the sun. Whatever pops into my mind, probably a podcast about. But definitely check that out if you're in the podcast. I enjoy talking. That's why I kind of created the podcast. Just giving you a platform to do that. But thank you so much for watching and supporting this episode of The Lab. Thank you so much for supporting. Always and forever, Slice and Dice and Gaming. It's not just a it's a lifestyle. I'll see you all in the next video. Later.